All right, let's talk about the big one, the baccalaureate math exam. You know it's a major challenge, right? But here's the thing. It's totally conquerable. Over the next few minutes, we're going to walk through a real game plan, a strategy to help you turn that exam day anxiety into pure confidence. So, if you're ready, let's dive in.
So are you? Because this isn't just about surviving the test. It's about walking in there feeling prepared and ready to take it on. We're going to build the exact plan that gets you to that point.
Okay, first things first. Let's be real. The math back is a beast. The pressure is intense, the stress is real, and the amount of stuff to remember can feel, well, impossible. If you're feeling that way, you are not alone. But just admitting that, just seeing the challenge for what it is, that's actually the first step to beating it.
This right here is the mindset we need. It's so easy to get freaked out thinking of it as this one giant, scary exam. But what if we reframe it? Think of it as a journey. It has a beginning, a middle, and a finish line. And just like any trip, if you have a good map, a solid plan, you're going to get where you need to go.
So where does this plan start? You might think it's you, a textbook, and a lonely desk. But actually, our first big strategy is all about teamwork. It's about tapping into the incredible power of a study group.
You know that feeling when you're just staring at a problem, hitting a wall, and you can only see it one way? Well, in a group, someone might just go, "Hey, why don't you try it like this?" And suddenly, boom, everything clicks. You're not just getting answers, you're sharing brand new ways of thinking that make everyone smarter.
Let's be honest, trying to stay motivated all by yourself is tough. It's so easy to get distracted or just burn out, but when you're part of a group, you feed off each other's energy. When you see your friends pushing, it makes you want to push too. That shared goal keeps everyone locked in, especially during those long study sessions.
Ever get stuck on one of those super hard exercises that feels impossible to crack? Of course, right? We all have. Well, this is where your group becomes your superpower. Instead of struggling alone, you can pool your brain power. You can work through it together, step by step, making those monster problems feel way more manageable.
And here is a little secret weapon for you. The absolute best way to know if you really understand something is to try and teach it. Seriously. When you have to explain a concept to someone in your group, it forces your brain to organize the information and truly master it. It's the ultimate test of your own knowledge.
So, to wrap this part up, the group advantage is just huge. You're swapping ideas, keeping each other motivated, tackling tough problems as a team, and locking in your own knowledge by teaching it. This is a massive piece of the puzzle.
But group work is only half of it. It's crucial, for sure, but now we have to shift gears and talk about what you need to do on your own. It's time to build your personal toolkit for success. Think of it like this. These are the two pillars holding up your preparation. On one side, the group gives you those new perspectives, that shared drive, and the support when you need it. But on the other side, you are the one who has to build your own personal mastery and deep knowledge. They work together. You absolutely need both to nail this.
Okay, so what's in this personal toolkit? Number 1, consistent practice. This is non-negotiable. You have to work through tons of different exercises and old exam papers, get used to how they ask questions. Number 2, create summary flashcards. For every chapter, boil it down to the most important formulas and ideas. This is amazing for memorization. And third, don't be afraid to get some one-on-one help, like from a tutor, for those tricky topics. It's a smart move.
Okay, so you've put in the work with your group. You've built your own skills. Now for the final stage of the journey. Let's talk about how to walk into that exam room with a calm, clear, and winning strategy for the day itself.
On game day, you need a system. First step, before you write a single thing, take a breath and read the entire exam paper. Know what you're up against. Second, always use your scratch paper. Do all the messy work there, so your final answer on the exam sheet is clean and clear. And finally, you have to be a master of the clock. Decide how much time each exercise gets and stick to it. Time management is everything.
And there you have it. From using the power of your group to building your own toolkit, all the way to mastering exam day itself, you now have a real path forward. This isn't about wishing for a good grade. It's a concrete plan to go out and earn it.
This quote just says it all, doesn't it? The people who do well on this exam aren't just lucky, they're the ones who were prepared. Your success is going to be a direct result of the smart, hard work you put in, starting right now.
Which brings us to this final, really important question. We've laid out the map. You have the strategies. The only thing left to do is to take that first step. So, what's it going to be? Are you going to text some friends to start a study group, or maybe make your first flashcard? Whatever it is, the time to start your journey is now.
You've got this.